Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fulfill an order on Shopify store. First, we're going to start by creating a product that is originally, let's say, that is originally your product. So most of the product that I have are either from Amazon or from CJ Dropshipping. Basically, most of them are from third parties, and they're going to have a different way to fulfill. But today I'm just going to focus on the fulfillment of the original items that basically you're selling on first hand instead of using a third parties. So to add your products, you can go to the product sections on the navigation menu on the left side of your screen, and then you're going to be able to see all of the product that you have. To create a new product, all you have to do is click on this add product right here. And then you can start and adding your titles, your descriptions, your status. So basically, status is whether you're going to put this product on your website or not. If you put it on draft, let's say that you're still waiting for some information or for some pictures, but you would like to create a listing first on your Shopify store, you can do that by importing all of the details first and then put it on draft. I'm just going to go straight to active. And then let's say that the product that I'm going to put, it's going to be a daisy necklace. Obviously, you're going to want to put lots of details on your description. I'm just going to skip it. So let's say it's just going to be test product. And to add your pictures, click on upload new, and then you can insert on whatever pictures that you want. And over here on the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see more details such as product categories. Usually it's going to automatically read your product type, vendor, collection, tags, etc. Of course, you will want to fill in that too, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to skip it. And then, of course, you will want to put your price. Let's say it's going to be that. And then you want to put your cost per item so that you will know the amount of profit that you'll get. And once you got all of the details, you can go ahead and click on save. I always go back to my product list just to make sure that the product that I've just put it is in fact already created or already listed. And as you can see now, I got 0 on stock. To change that, I can do it by editing it straight from product, or you can go to inventory and then you can edit it from there. Let's say I have 10. All right, now that we got our product, we can save it and then we can go to our online store to take a look at whether it's there or not. All right, so here's my website. I'm going to go to our product. Then let's take a look. So here is the necklace. And let's say that I will want to order it. I can just click on, let's say, buy it now, and then fill in all of the checkout details. All right, now that I got the order, I can go back to my Shopify. And in case you don't know how to set your payment method, because it's very important before you'll be able to get orders, you will have to set your payment method first. All you have to do is go to the settings options on the very bottom left side of your screen, and then you're going to be able to find this payment as well as checkout option. So first, you're going to want to set on your payment method. You can either choose your payment providers and manage your payment capture method, because sometimes if you're using a third parties such as CJ Dropshipping, the item fulfillment can only be read as needs to be fulfilled if the payment is already captured by Shopify. If you're using the manual payment method, such as the cash on delivery one, CJ Dropshipping will not be able to read it as something that they need to fulfill. Instead, it's going to be put it inside of some sort of waiting list, and you will have to edit everything manually. But if you're okay with cash on delivery for your product, you can just go ahead and choose this one and then let your customers pay it that way. And then you can go to your checkout and customize your checkout from there. You can upload your logo, you can change the colors, the font, etc. You can also choose the customer contact method, whether you want them to put their phone numbers or email or just emails. and etc. As for the customer information, you can choose whether you want them to only require the last name or you want it to be on their full name, company name, address line, shipping address, phone numbers, etc. Alright, now that you know how to settings your payment and checkout, now we're going to go back and take a look at our orders. If we go to your dashboard, you'll be able to see this orders options right here. And as you can see, this is the one that we've had before. This is the one that we've created as a task. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I will be able to see all of the details of my customers. And then I can also leave a comment for myself so that if something happens, I will know how to track it and I will know what is going on for this specific order. Because as you can see, if you scroll all the way down, you will be able to see all of the things that happens about this order. It gives me the time when the order was made and when was the confirmation generated and what kind of payment does my customer choose. And the great thing about Shopify is they also have the fraud analysis system. And then let's say that you already created the product, you can actually click fulfill item and then you can insert the tracking number as well as the shipping carrier. There is several options that Shopify have, so make sure to take a look on the shipping carrier over here and make sure that the shipping carrier that brings your product to your customer is listed over here. And then once you got the tracking number from the shipping carrier, you can go ahead and put it over here, and then you can also choose to notify the customer whether the product is already shipped or not. Now, this is how you can fulfill an item on Shopify if you have one product on one order. Now let's see what happens if, let's say, we have several different products. So I'm going to try to create another test on where I'm going to buy more than one item. All right, so now I have this orders in where we got 2 items ordered, and this is what will happen if the product that were ordered by your customer actually came from different vendor. So the first one is the one that I originally have, and this one actually comes from a third-party vendor. You will have to fulfill them one by one. You cannot do the order at one time because they have different providers or different vendor. So make sure to carefully take a look at your order, and just like before, let's say that we're going to fulfill this order right here, and then let's say we're going to click on fulfill item, and you can see if there is only one order that is fulfilled, you're going to see that there is partially fulfilled notification on the order number. And as for the one with the third parties, you can fulfill it automatically from here, or you can request fulfillment from the third parties. Let's say that I'm just going to click on fulfill item, and then now we got the order as fulfilled. And let's say I'm just going to mark this as paid. All right, and now our order is fulfilled. Just make sure that you got your payment. If you're using the cash on delivery method, do not fulfill your order if you haven't got your payment yet, or if your product is not ready to be sent, or your product haven't arrived on your customer's hands. And that's basically it. That is how you can fulfill an order on Shopify online store. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.